Bitcoin could skyrocket in 2026 or crash again. But before we get into it, let's go over what happened in 2025 and why it matters. 2025 was a wild year for Bitcoin. Prices dropped significantly, wiping out gains from previous years. Many investors panicked, some even killed themselves. While others bought the dip, the crash reminded everybody that Bitcoin is extremely violent. Huge gains are possible, but big drops happen as well. This history sets the stage for 2026 as it will be unpredictable and exciting. Big gains. Looking at 2026, Bitcoin could recover or face more volatility. Analysts have a range of predictions. Some see it holding steady around 100,000, or some see it even having a bull run if demand continues, while others think it could climb higher with institutional support. The key takeaway: anything is possible because it's a very, very violent, unpredictable coin. Let's see what Tom Lee says about this.
Sensitive to the ISM. So the ISM moving back above 50 has historically been associated with actually super cycle moves in Bitcoin and Ethereum.
Wait, ISM going into expansion territory is positive for Bitcoin?
Correct.
For all, interesting.
Yeah, and so if you look at ISM and Bitcoin, and you detrend Bitcoin, essentially look at its distance from the 200-day, it's almost perfectly correlated to the ISM.
Surprising.
And same thing with copper to gold prices. So copper's an industrial metal versus gold is a
right, but all of that tells you that it's basically just risk on, that they're all behaving like an economy. And is that, am I overcharacterizing
Yeah, I think that's right. I think Bitcoin's a bit of a chameleon because there'll probably be a time when it acts like gold, but right now it acts a lot more like it's sensitive to monetary policy and the business cycle, and both are about to turn up. So that would mean anybody who thinks the Bitcoin 4-year cycle means crypto prices are down next year, we're betting against that, thinking that new highs come early, like in January.
Bitcoin adoption is still growing. By 2026, hundreds of millions of people could be using it globally. Big institutions are investing more, including ETFs and crypto funds. Governments in the UK and the EU are clarifying regulations, which give Bitcoin more legitimacy and could support its growth. The United States, Germany, and France are leading in the adaptation of Bitcoin for daily use in daily lives. How should you invest in Bitcoin? I suggest keeping 2 to 10% of your portfolio in Bitcoin. Diversify with stocks, bonds, and cash. And always, always research before buying. Not every crypto survived, but Bitcoin has maintained a strong record. Bitcoin in 2026 has huge potential. It's risky, save first, invest small, and never gamble money you can't afford to lose. Stay informed, stay smart, and make your money work for you. Peace, guys. If you guys like this video, make sure to like and subscribe.